If you want to verify your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console using the DNS TXT record, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's a simple setup, but if you've never done it before, it can feel confusing. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly where to get the verification code from Google Search Console, how to add it inside GoDaddy, and how to finish the verification successfully. This is one of the most important setup steps for any website owner, because it helps Google confirm that you own the domain and gives you access to valuable search data, indexing tools, and performance reports. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website and SEO tutorials. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Google Search Console and sign in with the Google account you want to use for your website. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner and click the Property drop-down. From there, choose Add Property. When the setup box appears, make sure you select the Domain Property option. This is the best choice because it covers all versions of your site, including subdomains and different protocols, so you don't have to verify each one separately. Next, type in your root domain name. For example, if your website is example.com, enter just that main domain name. After that, click Continue. Google will then give you a DNS verification record. Under the instructions, you should see a text string that starts with Google Site Verification. That's the TXT record you need to add in GoDaddy. Go ahead and copy that full code carefully. Make sure you copy the entire string exactly as shown, because even a small typo can prevent verification from working. Keep this Google Search Console tab open, because you'll need to come back to it in a moment. Now that you have the verification code, open a new tab and log in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're on your GoDaddy portfolio page, find the domain you want to verify. If you manage multiple domains, double-check that you're selecting the correct one. After that, click DNS or Manage DNS. This is where GoDaddy lets you manage all of your domain records, including TXT records, which is exactly what Google needs for verification. On the DNS page, look for the Records table. At the top of that table, click Add New Record, or Add depending on the layout you see. This will open a new form where you can enter the TXT record details. In the Type field, select TXT. In the Name or Host field, enter the @ symbol. This tells GoDaddy that the record applies to the root domain. In the Value or TXT Value field, paste the verification code you copied from Google Search Console. Again, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. For TTL, you can usually leave it at the default setting, or if you have the option, choose something like 1 hour or custom 600. Once everything looks correct, click Save. After saving the record, give it a few moments to start propagating. In some cases, DNS changes can work almost immediately, but sometimes it may take a little longer, depending on the domain and DNS settings. Now go back to the Google Search Console tab you left open earlier. At the bottom of the verification pop-up, click the Verify button. Google will check your DNS records to confirm that the TXT record has been added correctly. If everything was entered properly and the DNS has already propagated, your domain will be verified successfully. If it doesn't work right away, don't panic. Just wait a little while and try again, because DNS changes can sometimes take time to update across the internet. And that's it. You've now learned how to verify your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console using a DNS TXT record. Once verified, you'll be able to access Search Console tools, submit sitemaps, monitor indexing, and track how your site performs in Google Search. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.